In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shopify SKUs effectively. Now, managing SKUs or stock keeping units is an essential part of maintaining an organized and efficient inventory system on Shopify. SKUs help in tracking products, differentiating between variations, and connecting with your inventory management system. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you get the most out of your Shopify experience. First things first, let's navigate to the Products section within your Shopify dashboard. You'll find products conveniently located on the left-hand panel of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the products currently available in your store. This page is where all the action happens, so it's great to get familiar with it. Next, we want to perform a bulk edit. This is especially useful if you have numerous products and want to update their SKUs all at once, saving you a lot of time compared to doing them individually. To start, you will need to select all the products. Look for the checkbox located at the top left of your list of products. Clicking this checkbox will automatically select all the products listed on the current page. It's a real-time saver that makes life a bit easier, especially when you're dealing with a large inventory. With all your products selected, let's move on to the bulk editing feature. At the top of your products list, you'll notice a button labeled Bulk Edit. Give that a click. This action will smoothly transition you into the bulk editing mode, providing a streamlined and efficient setup for making multiple changes. Once you're in the bulk edit view, you have the power to customize what information you'd like to edit. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen, where a columns drop-down menu resides. Click on this menu, and you'll see various options that you can enable. For our purposes today, you will want to enable the SKU column if it isn't already visible. This allows you to view, edit, and manage SKU codes with ease. With the SKU column visible, you now have everything you need right at your fingertips. You can easily scroll through your list of products and keep an eye on all assigned SKUs. This view enables quick editing, so if you notice any discrepancies or if there's a need for adjustments, it can all be handled promptly in this space. And there you have it. Managing your Shopify SKUs doesn't have to be a daunting task. By utilizing the bulk edit feature and enabling the SKU column, you streamline the process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in your product management strategy. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, maintaining an organized inventory in Shopify becomes a seamlessly integrated part of your operations.